Hello there, my name is Nick. I'm 27 years old and I'm a professional teacher of English. If you want to learn English, you can choose me as your teacher. You ask me why? Let's check. I like making classes for kids. Actually, I'm a real kid. I usually use different toys to attract children's attention. Really, Kiki? Yes! We can have lots of fun with kids. Do crosswords, play games, discuss different topics, sing songs, and many other things. Also, I like having classes with adults. If you are just on the beginning of your way and only start learning English, feel free to contact me. I'll be very glad to help you. If you are more experienced in English, we can discuss different topics. I can tell you more about Russia, Russian cuisine, Russian culture, Russian people. I like traveling, so let us discuss different places for traveling. Yeah, let us talk about that. We can have business English classes. I am a CEO of an international textile company. We import fabrics from China, produce bed sets, and sell them in Russia or export them to other countries. So, I have a real experience in business in Russia and will be glad to have business topics with you. So, that was me. Please check my classes, arrange appointments with me, give me your comments. It will be my pleasure to be your teacher. Goodbye!